Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Valorant. After the today's update, you are getting incredibly low FPS while playing the Valorant. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. There are two easy fixes for it. First of all, right click on start menu, choose the option run. Type here ncpa.cpl and then hit the enter key. Now from here, you will find Ethernet as well as Wi-Fi. So if you are using a Wi-Fi connection, you need to right click on the Ethernet and choose the option disable. Although if you are using Ethernet, you need to right click on the Wi-Fi option and choose the option disable. After disabling one of the options that you are not using, try to replay the game and this will fix out the issue. Although if this failed to work out, in next step, if you are using Valorant tracker like tracker.gg or Valorant Overwolf tracker, make sure either you disable them or completely uninstall them while playing the Valorant. After doing these two simple fixes, you are ready to replay the game and the low FPS issue while playing the Valorant will be completely fixed out after the today's update. So that's all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.